Let's acknowledge this. Most of us don't actually struggle with drawing lines. We struggle with believing the next one will be any better. Welcome back. This is part two of our series, and today we're diving into confidence. Most people think confidence is something you need before you draw, like some magical feeling that shows up and says, hey, you're ready. But for the absolute beginner artist, confidence doesn't come before action, it comes because of it. Hey y'all, Mike here. So today, I'll show you how to apply confidence to your daily drawing routine without faking it, forcing it, or pretending you've got it all figured out. Because you don't need to feel ready to begin. You just need to begin. The truth about confidence. Confidence isn't a feeling. It's a byproduct of repetition. When you're just starting out, every wobbly line can feel like proof that you don't have what it takes. But here's the thing. Confidence doesn't grow from perfect results. It grows from honest evidence. Every time you show up and draw, your brain is collecting data, tiny bits of evidence that say, I've done this before, I can do it again. And over time, that data becomes trust. Trust is your ability to start again tomorrow, even when yesterday's page didn't look great. Think of confidence like calluses. You don't build them overnight. You build them by touching pencil to paper every day, by pushing through friction until it doesn't hurt anymore. So if you've waited to feel confident before you start drawing, you'll be waiting forever. Instead, focus on earning it, one awkward line at a time. Here's a simple way to actually build confidence. I call it the proof loop. Step 1. Draw something within your reach. Nothing fancy, a cup, a shoe, a coffee mug, something ordinary. Confidence grows from consistency, not complexity. Step 2. Accept the wobble. When you mess up, don't flinch, label it. This is what early progress looks like. The line isn't wrong, it's a record of where you are right now. Step number 3, document the evidence. Take a photo, date it, and file it away, even if it's ugly, especially if it's ugly. That's how you build proof, not perfection, because one day you'll flip back through your sketchbook and see it, the proof that you've been improving all along. And that's not motivation, that's momentum. It's your past self quietly cheering, see, you didn't quit this time. Confidence isn't built in one perfect drawing session. It's built in 1,000 small, imperfect ones. Here's the secret your brain doesn't tell you. It only believes what it can see. So if you only compare yourself to finished art online, you'll always feel behind. But when you compare yourself to your own yesterday, you start to see growth. Each page becomes a receipt of effort, physical proof that you've invested in yourself. And once you collect enough receipts, confidence becomes automatic. You no longer have to psych yourself up. You just show up because you've proven to yourself that you can. That's how the absolute beginner artist transforms insecurity into identity by replacing self-doubt with evidence. So here's your challenge for the week. Every day, draw one small thing and date it. At the end of the 7 days, flip back through the pages. Don't judge, just look. You'll see proof that you've been building something real. Because confidence isn't something you feel first, it's something you earn later. So if you would, drop a comment, proof over perfection. And I'll see you in part 3, where we'll talk about how motor skills, the physical side of drawing, connect your brain to your hand, one line at a time. Until the next video, take care of yourself.